We guide you through how to the quickest delete incognito history on Google Chrome. So the first thing you need to do is to open Chrome and clicking the three dots menu in the top right corner, then selecting history followed by history again, where you'll see all browsing activity including incognito sessions stored temporarily. Then next, click clear browsing data. Choose the time range you want to erase. Make sure browsing history, cookies, and other site data and cache images and files are checked. And then hit clear data to instantly remove everything. For a faster method, you can also use the shortcut CTRL plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac to bring up the same menu. Select your preferred time range, confirm the checkboxes, and clear. Remember, incognito mode doesn't save history to your account, but this ensure all local cache info is gone. And for extra security, you can also disable extensions that might store activity and restart Chrome to finish the cleanup.